Hi everyone, my name is Clara and today I have a problem. My problem is that how can drones be used for building space cities? So I need to solve this problem because there's global warming in Earth now and we need to leave space soon as we can because to survive in order to survive. So it's more important than 3D printers. It needs to be prioritized more because drones can help us discover in the future and also in the space. Drones can carry things in order to build space cities. Let's go to my keywords. So my keyword is drone, space city, cargo manufacture, and battery. The drone is for solving my problem because it's carrying the things that I need like maybe bricks or luggages that people need to carry. And space city, I need to build space city in the outer space because we need to survive during the global warming as fast as we can. And third one is cargo. I put cargo because it's like they need to have cargo to carry the things that they need. Like drone needs to carry cargo. The box. Cargo is basically a box. So the drone needs to carry cargo to build the space city. Do you understand? And fourth one is manufacture. Manufacture is process of building drones, and the famous company of building drone is DJI. DJI is the most popular and also good for building drones. And we need to build drones because it's faster than building ourselves. And we need to use drone because when people start to build the space city, they might get injured or else killed, or when it's worse than that. But drone, it's just that it's broken or it needs to be charged in spacecraft. And they have charger in spacecraft, so they will just charge it and use it again. So it's more comfortable to use drone and more convenient also than people who will build space city. And the last one is battery. I choose battery because drone need a lot of battery to build the space city because if it have lower battery, it needs to charge all the time, right? So they need to charge it and use it only when they need it. So do you have any questions?
What's the battery life?
Oh, can you say it again?
So if you're going to bring a lot of battery with these drones, what's the lifespan of these batteries? Will it last a year, 2 years, 3 years?
It depends on the drone's quality.
Okay.
Yeah, it depends on drone's quality. If it's good, it will last longer, and if it's bad, it will last shorter. Teacher Arta, do you have?
Do you think that drones are they really essential to bring to space? Are there any other like device that you think can replace drone, or that's the most essential for you?
I think drone is most essential now because drone have the drone can do anything now because technology improved than the past, so they can carry the cargo like I said, and it will also have some like information to in order to find some of the maybe treasures in space or building space.
Thank you.
Oh, So my biggest obstacle is that space cities parts are heavy, too heavy, and also hard to learn to like carry it because we can only carry the drone can only carry like 20 kilograms to 200 kilograms. It's so light because drone is very small, as you know. So it can carry only little. So my solution is that we need to build it block by block so that drones can also help us build it and we can be more comfortable. So I have my visualization with AI. ChatGPT made this picture me controlling the drone to build the space city. This is space city, and this is where I'm going to build the space city Mars or rocky planets. And it also have some of the things that it needs to carry. Maybe inside here it will be some things that is like water or food or bricks to build the space city. Hello everyone, my name is Clara. My mission is to fly a drone as a cargo carrier. First, I had to fly my drone going to the cargo station. The wind from the drone makes it so hard to control my hook. I used Velcro to attach my drone hook to my box. It is a bit challenging, but with practice, it can be done. As I got the cargo, I need to deliver it to my space city as part of the block I am trying to build. It is very hard to land with unstable environment. This is so difficult because the cargo was lighter than expected. It kept on flying away. As you can see, I was struggling, but later on I made it. This is how we use drone to deliver parts of a space city. So as you can see in this video, I'm controlling my drone to go to the box. It's cabbage in the keyword. So I need to carry the things that I need, as I say in other slide. And I need to carry it. This is a pretend space city, and I need to carry it here to build it. Like it have a string, it connected as you see in the visualization. I connected and there's some stickiness, so I will stick it here and lands down. Do you have any questions?
So how are you planning to transport these block? You said block by block.
Yeah, parts
From-
by parts. Yeah.
From where? From Earth to other planets?
Yeah, Earth to other planets.
So how do you plan to transport those drones from Earth to other planets?
So I will carry spaceship first, and when I go to that planet, I will land the drone first, and I will control it so that the drones can carry it.
You mean
Yeah.
you will be the only one who will be controlling all these?
No,
drones?
I will take some people to volunteer there.
Right. Okay. Well, it looks like it's quite difficult
Oh
to
yeah.
transfer one block to another to build your city. So how long do you think it's going to take to finish your city?
Maybe like 100 years or maybe less. When I take a lot of people who is expert of that, professional.
Wait, can you live that long?
So you'll pass it down to the
Or
future
maybe
generations,
I
right?
will take some of the younger people.
You will give the burden to
Okay.
the people.
Yeah, maybe
Go
people can marry in there.
Oh,
And multiply there, right?
Yeah.
I have a question. Who will fund it? Private companies or private people, or do you think the government can also be part of this?
Yeah, government can also be part of this because it's the problem with Earth, not only with some of the people, it's global warming problem. So
Oh.
government can help. Yeah, do you have any more?
Do you think that the Philippines can also contribute to this? We are a third world country. Do you think a third world country can contribute to this project? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for listening to my presentation.